a powder puff, they say. His little yellow head is a fluffy ball. He doesn't have a tail at all. A triangle of orange is his little beak. It helps him eat and lets him speak. Two little eyes help him find his mom and see all the animals on the farm. His skinny legs he uses to run when playing with other chicks in the sun. With three little toes he scratches the ground to look for the worms that must be found. He plays with his brothers and sisters in the barn, and at night they all snuggle with Mom to keep warm.